In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI in Whimsical. Let's get started with the basics of logging into Whimsical, and then we'll explore how to leverage artificial intelligence within the platform to boost your productivity and creativity. First things first, to access Whimsical, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Whimsical login page. If you're already familiar with the website, then this will be straightforward. For those who are new, Whimsical is an intuitive platform where you can create flowcharts, wireframes, mind maps, and more. Once you're on the login page, you'll see several options for signing in. To keep things simple and secure, we're going to select the option to log in with Google. This method not only speeds up the process, but also ensures that your credentials remain safely managed by Google's robust security features. Now all you'll need to do is choose the Google account that you use most frequently. This is where you'll click on your account from the list of options presented to you. If you're not already signed into Google, you may need to enter your email and password, and just like that, you're in. Now that you've successfully logged into Whimsical, we're ready for the next step, creating something new. In the upper part of your screen, look for a button that says Create New and give it a click. This will open up various exciting options to explore. Since we're interested in starting something fresh, go ahead and select Board. A blank board will appear, and this is where your imagination can truly run wild. Next up, let's incorporate the power of AI into our workflow. You'll want to look for an icon that represents AI, which is usually situated around the toolbar. Clicking on this icon activates the AI feature, opening up a wide range of potential applications. We've reached a particularly exciting part of the process, where you can take full advantage of this technology. To do so, simply describe the project you wish to create. Are you working on a team brainstorming session, designing a user interface, or creating a mind map for personal organization? Whatever it is, type a brief description into the box that appears and hit enter. The AI will then generate suggestions and templates based on your input, guiding you toward building a comprehensive and well-structured project. Remember, the more detailed and clear your description, the better the AI can assist you. And that's it! With just these steps, you've accessed the creative potential of AI within Whimsical, seamlessly integrating innovative technology into your workflow. Play around with the features, explore different options, and most importantly, let your creativity shine. Thank you for watching and happy creating.